Hello students, good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss IPPS PO Prelims Grand Test number 3. So, of quant section. Now, I think everyone knows the strategy to give an exam. Like we are starting from simplifications, number series, inequality, data interpretation, and finally go with the word problems. Okay. In this way, you can give an exam. We can easily solve more number of questions. Okay. But I am going to discuss all the questions continuously because already you given an exam. So listen. See the first question. What is the first question is given? The first question is given like simplifications in approximate value. Okay, approximate value. See approximate 15.5. Can I take as approximately 16%? 323. That is approximately can I 320. That means 16% of 320. 16 3s are 480. 16 2s are 32. That means 5120. But denominator percentage means 51.2. What is the value? 51.2 minus 20.8%. 20.8% is nothing but 21%. 198 approximately 200. So 200 means percentage, 2 zeros will be cancelled. 21 2s are 42. So this is approximate value. 51.2 minus 42. How much will become, sir? 51 minus 42, 9. Point means 9.2. Okay. 9.2 means approximately very closer to 9 or not. So what is your answer? Option E. Clear? See the next question. What is the next question is given, sir? 3058 divided by 27 into 3. Listen, sir. This is into 3. 3 1s are 3 9 will be cancelled because denominator. So 9 1s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 35. 358. 358 means can I take as 360? That means 9 4s are 36. So approximately what is your answer, sir? 340. Option C. Clear? See the next one. What is the next question is given? 3.58 whole square into 1.75 whole square. Listen, sir. Generally, we are taking this approximately 4. Okay, take 4 square value 16. This is take as a 2. 2 square value 4. 16 4s are sir 64. But in approximately any option is nearer to 64? No. That means don't take this as a 4. So 3.58, they given a 2-digit decimal. So better to take near decimal. That means 3.58 is approximately 3.6 3.6 square value. That means 36 square value 1296. This is a 12.96 into 1.75. 1.75 is nothing but 1.8 approximately 1.8 whole square value. That means 18 square value 324. That means 3.24. Clear, sir? So 12.96 is nothing but approximately 13. 3.24 is nothing but 3. 13 3s are how much, sir? 13 3s are 39. That means our option is approximately nearer to 39. Which is option is closer to 39, sir? Option B. Clear? See the next one. What is the next question is given, sir? Square root of 5138 divided by square root of 36. What is the square root of 36, sir? 6. That means this option should be divided by 6, divisible by 6 approximately. So this is not exact value. So better to take the 6 divisible number and square value. Listen, sir. What is a 72 square value? Because 50 square, 52 like 54 divisible of 6. 54, 60, 66, 72. 72 square value how much, sir? 72 square value 5184. This means this is little bit closer to 5138 or not. That means shall I take this is 72. 72 divided by 6. 72 divided by 6 is how much, sir? 12. So approximately what is your answer, sir? C. Option C. What is the next question is given, sir? 37.5. 37.5 is nothing but how much value, sir? Shall I take as nearer to 38, sir? Into 34.9. Approximately can I take as 35, sir? Divided by 2.75. Don't take 3 because 2 decimals are given. Better to take first decimal nearer. So 2.75. Shall I take approximately 2.8, sir? 2.8. So shall I take 28 by 10, sir? Now 7 4s are 7 5s are 2 2s are 2 19s are 2 1s are 2 5s are 5 take this side 5 5s are 25 into 19. Listen, sir. 25 20s are how much, sir? 500. But 1 time 25 subtracted. Understand? So 1 time 25 subtracted means 500 minus 25 475. So what is your answer, sir? Approximately equal to 476. Clear? See the next one. Tanvi started a business investing 45,000 rupees. After 8 months, Anisha joined her with a capital of 52,000. At the end of the year, the total profit was 56,675. What is the total profit value, sir? 56,165. Okay. Listen, zeros are common. I am cancelling. So Tanvi started with how many rupees, sir? 45 rupees. She invested for total 1 year because she started the business Anisha after 8 months. So Anisha joined after 8 months means she invested for remaining 4 months or not? 4 months. But she invested how many rupees, sir? 52 rupees. Okay. So 4 ones are 4 threes are 45 threes are 135 and 52. So this is the profit ratio of Tanvi and Anisha. Okay. What is the total value? 187. This is the total parts. But what is the total profit of two people? 56,165. But I required which value? Anisha share. What is the Anisha value? 52 by 187 into 56,165. Okay. If you try to solve, listen, sir. 187. I am taking as 190. 193 is how much, sir? 193 is 570. But this is not. So 190, this is needed to 5. So 181s are 183s are because 9 will be remaining 561. 65 will be there. I am taking 0, 65, 6. So 65 will become. So approximately 300 will become. So 52 3s are how much will become? 156. That means the answer should be 15600 approximately. But any option is given 15600. So none of this. What is your answer? Option E. Clear? See the next one. What is the question number 37? Pamela invested an amount of 35,000 rupees for 2 years at the rate of 5% per annum. What amount of compound interest would she receive at the end of 2 years? So they are asking the compound interest. What is the rate of interest is given, sir? 5% is given. What is the total? 35,000 rupees. Now listen. 5% for 1 year. In compound interest for 2 years, what is the value? 10.25%. I think everyone knows this thing. Otherwise, we can go with the 2 years value. What is the 2 year values? 2, 1. Yes or no? Okay. For 2 years, what is the value? 2, 1. What is the rate of interest? 5%. 5% on which value, sir? 35,000 rupees. In 35,000, what is the 10% value? 3,500. What is the 5% value? Half of 3,500 means 1750. 1750. Again 5%. Okay. What is the 10% value? 175. 175 means half of the value 87.5. That means the option should be ending with 0.5. So this option is eliminated. This option is eliminated. 3 options are 0.5. Now listen, sir. 2 into 1750. 2 into 1750. 3,500 plus 87.5. So what is the answer? 3587.5. What is the answer? Option A. Clear? Okay. See the next question. Next question is given related to data interpretation. Study the following graph carefully to answer the questions given below. Number of select employees in different grades ranks by 3 companies during 2012. Okay. This is given for all the companies for 2012. Okay. This is a line graph. See the first question. What is the first question is given, sir? What is the first question is given? Check it. What is the average number of selected employees by company A in all the grades taken together? So you have to find out average of company A in all the grades. Okay. Company A. Company A is representing with blue line. Here what is the value? 150. Here 300, 300, 500, 650 and this is 800. So I am adding 300, 300, 600, 600, 500, 1100, 1100, 600, 1100, 1700, 1700 plus 800, 2500, 2500 plus 100, 2600, 50 plus 50, 100. That means total 2700 by total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 6. 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are. Now what is the value? Average 450. Option A. Clear? See the next question. See the next question. What is the next question is given, sir? What is the ratio of selected employees for the post of assistant IT manager?
So this is the assistant IT manager by companies A comma B comma C. All the companies they are asking. So A is to B is to C. We have to find out. A is a blue line, that is 650. That is I am writing 65 because all the zeros are common. Red line is 70 and C is 55. So what will become? 5 13s are, 5 14s are, 5 11s are. So what is the answer? So option none of this option. Clear? See the next question, sir. What is the next question is given? By what percentage is the number of selected employees for the finance manager by company C? Finance manager company C. Company C is 250. C more than that of selected employees by company B. Company B same post. Company B how many sir? 200. So 250 is how much percent more than 200? So listen sir. How much more sir? 50 by 200 into 100. 50 by 200 means 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 25% more. Clear? Now see the next one. What is the next question is given sir? What is the average number of selected employees for the post of assistant marketing manager? Assistant marketing manager average for all the together. So last one. Listen sir. 800 plus 700, 1500. 1500 plus 600, 2100 plus 60. 2160. Total how many companies? 3. So what is the answer? 720. So option D. Clear? See the next one. What is the next question is given sir? What is the ratio of selected employees for IT managers by all the companies ABC? IT managers. IT manager is the third one from first. All the together. A. What is the A value, sir? 330. And what is the B value? 20. What is the C value? 35. Ratio. 5 6 are, 5 4s are, 5 7s are. 6 is to 4 is to 7. So what is our answer? Option A. Clear? See the next one. See the next question. The next question is given as data interpretation. This is the bar graph. This is data related to the number of students who attended the seminar from by organized by IIM Ahmedabad, 5 different universities. Okay. Now, what is the first question is given? What is the average number of boys who participated in the seminar? So we should find out the average number of boys. So we should find out total how many boys are there. First add all the boys. So wait, I am zooming. Now see, 50 plus 60, 110, 110 plus 60, 170, 170 plus 60, 230, 230 plus 80, 310. So 2.5 plus 7.5, 10. 7.5 plus 2.5, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 310, 330. That means total how many boys are attended for the universities, sir? 330. From how many universities? 5 universities. 330 divided by 5. How much, sir? 66. The answer is 66. So which options are? Option A. Clear for all? So see the next question. What is the next question is given, sir? The number of boys from AK to U who participated in seminar is what percent of the number of girls from Indraprastha University? Okay, AK to U, how many boys are there? 60. On Indraprastha University, girls are required. Girls are required. Girls are how many, sir? 37.5. Okay, I am removing here 37. Okay, so 25 twos are 50. So 25 fours are. 25 ones are 25. 25 fives are. So 3 eights are, 3 fives are. What is the ratio, sir? 8 is to 5. The number of boys are 8. The number of girls are 5. 8 by 5. Sir, 1 by 5 is nothing but 20. 8 by 5 is nothing but 160. So what is the percentage, sir? 160%. Clear? See the next question. What is the next question is given, sir? What is the difference between the average number of boys from all 5 universities together and the average number of girls from all 5 universities together? Recently, just in the first question, we already find it average number of boys. What is the average number of boys, sir? 6,600 minus. We have to find out girls. Now, girls also I am adding 37.5 plus 37, 37, 37, 74, 75. This is 75. 75 plus 5, 80, 80 plus 40, 120. 120 plus 30, 120 plus 30, 150. 150 plus 37.5, 187.5. So 187.5. But that is into 100. So what will become? Like this. So point will be removed and by how many? 5 units. 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. 15 means 37. 5 sevens are 35. 5 5s are. So what is the value? Minus 3750. This is the average number of boys and this is the average number of girls. They are asking the difference. Sir, in 6000, if I remove 3700, I will get 2250 plus 600, 2850. So what is your answer? Option C. Clear? Okay. See the next question, sir. What is the next question is given? What is the ratio of number of girls from LPU and AK2? Girls LPU. Girls LPU how much, sir? 37.5 and AK2 45. 37.5 plus 40, 77.5 plus 5, 82.5. So 82.5 boy girls is to the number of girls from DU and BBD. DU and BBD. 37.5 plus 30, 67.5. Okay, I am removing the point, so I am cancelling with 25 threes are 75, 25 threes are 75, 25 twos are 50, 25 sevens are 3 11s are 3 9s are. Now what is the ratio? 11 is to 9. Option D. Clear? See the next one, sir. See the next question. What is the next question is given? The number of boys who attended the seminar from DU and AKTU. Number of boys DU. DU, how many boys are there? 67.5 and AKTU. AKTU 60. 67 plus 60. 127.5. This is the number of boys. Together is approximately what person more or less than the girls from AKTU and Indra AKTU 45, Indra Prasad 37, 45 plus 37 82, 82.5. Clear? This is the total girls and this is the total boys. This is how much percent more or less. First cancel. 25 5s are 125, 25 1s are 25, 25 3s are 75, 25 3s are 3 17s are 3 11s are. Okay, what is the ratio will become? 17. Boys are 17, girls are 11. So how much more, sir? 6 by 11 into 100, because these are 17 boys, girls are 11. How many more? 6 more. 6 by 11 into 100. Sir, 1 by 11 is nothing but how much, sir? 1 by 11 is nothing but 9 point. So 6 by 11 means 9 6 are how much, sir? 54. So approximately how much, sir? 55% more. Clear? See the next question. What is the next question is given, sir? In the entrance examination, Seema scored 56% of marks, Nitya scored 92% of marks, and Meena secured 634. Here they given in a percentage. Here they given a marks. Okay. The maximum marks in the exam. The maximum marks in the exam is how much, sir? 875. What are the average marks scored by all the three together? So they are asking average marks. Listen, sir. Here already they given a marks, but here they given percentage. These two values converted into the marks and add all the three marks by 3. That is the one process. Otherwise, these marks are converted into the percentage. Add all the 3 percentages divided by 3. That is average percentage. Again, we have to find out the value. Clear, sir? So what I am doing means this 634. I try to convert it in the form of a percentage. Okay. So 634 divided by 875 into 100. I will get the percentage of Meena. Okay. Now 634. Listen, sir. This is 875. So what is the difference value approximately? 240 is the difference. Yes or no? 240. Approximately 7 minus 5, 4, 1. 7 minus 3, 4. So 241 approximately. Listen, sir. Here what is the 10% value? 87.5. 20% value will become double. So in 87.3 times will become nearer to this value or not? So that means approximately this is 70%. I am just taking approximately 70%. Understand? That value less than 70%, whatever, no problem. So approximately 70%. So listen, sir. 56 plus 92. 50 plus 90. 140. 6 plus 2. 148. 148 plus 70. 218. So approximately this is how much percentage, sir? 218. This is the total percentage of 3 people. I required average means divided by 3. 3 sevens are 3 twos are. So approximately what is the average percentage, sir? 72%. So 72% of 875. So 72 by 100 into 875. Clear? 25 3s are 75, 25 5s are 25 4s are 4 1s are 4 18s are. Listen sir, 18 5s are 90, 18 4, 18 3s are 54, 54 plus 9 630. So answer is approximately near to 630. So which option is given approximately near sir? 643. Clear sir everyone? Understand? See the next question. Now what should be come in the place of question mark in the following number series? Okay, listen sir, 980 divided by 2, how much will become? 490 minus 6. So divided by 2, how much will become? 242. 242 minus 6, that means divided by 2 minus 6, divided by 2 minus 6, divided by 2 minus 6, divided by 2, 50 divided by 2, 25, 25 minus 6, 19. So clear sir? Or 19 divided by 2, 19 divided 9.5, 9.5 minus 6, 3.5. So what is the question mark will become? 19. What is the answer? None of this. Clear? Okay, see the next question. What is the next question is given sir? 8 9 20 63 256 1285. Listen sir, so just increasing sir. 8 into 1, 8 into 1 how much sir? 8 plus 1. So 9 into 2, 9 into 2 18 plus 2, that means they are multiplying is increasing 1 2 3 and adding also 1 2 3. So into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. Clear sir? Into 6 plus 6. Listen, so 1206 are 7200, 86 are 480, 56 are 30, 480 plus 30 510, 510 plus 720, 7710 plus 6, 7710 plus 6, 7716. So option C. Clear? Now see the next question. What is the next question is given? 12 12 18 36 90 270. So 12 into 1 how much sir? 12, 12 into 1.5, 18, 18 into 2, that means into 1 into 1.5 into 2 into 2.5 into 3 into 3.5 will become here. So 27 3s are 81, that means 810, 270 into 0.5, that is 135, 810 plus 135, 945. So what is your answer? Option A. Clear? Now see the next question. What is the next question sir? 529 841 961. So when you are seeing this thing, we clearly observe that all are squares. So this is which square sir? 23 square. This is 29 square. This is 31 square. Here pattern if you clearly observe, 23 29 31, these are the consecutive prime numbers. So this is how much will become? 37 square. Next prime number is 41 square. This is 43 square. Definitely which is the next value? 47. 47 square value 2209. So what is your answer? Option E. Clear? See the next one. So 499, 160, 622, 868, 1237, 1729, 2344. Okay, here nothing increasing randomly, so little bit increasing, maybe adding. Listen sir, 622 minus 499, 600 minus 499, 101, 101 plus 22, 123. Here 123 is the difference. Now here what is the difference value? Listen sir, 860 minus 620, 860 minus 620, 240. Sir, no, 8 minus 2, 6, that means 246. So if we observe 123, here 123 2s are, that means here 123 3s are will become. Understand sir? 123 3s are, that means here 124s are, here 125s are, here 126 are, that means 123 into 6 is added. Sir, 12 6 are 720, 3 6 are 18. So 720 plus 18, 738 is added. 738 is added. Sir, 2300 plus 700, 3000. 44 plus 38, 82. So 382. Which options are? Option B. Clear? See the next. What is the next question is given, sir? 6 men can complete a piece of work in 12 days. 8 women can complete the same piece of work in 18 days. Whereas 18 children can complete the same work in 10 days. 4 men, 12 women, 20 children work together for 2 days. If only men are working the remaining work for 1 day. Okay, listen sir. I will taking the relation. 6 ones are 6. 6 threes are 18. Now here Any 6 children? 6 threes are okay. What is the remaining value? 12 men. Here 8 threes are 24 women. Here 3 is the remaining. They are doing 30 children. Now what will be getting? 6 twos are 6 fours are 6 fives are. This is a relation between men, women, and children. Now what happened? 10 days. Okay, 4 men, 12 women, and 20 children working together for 2 days. Listen, sir. 4 men, 4. Sir, 12 women. 12 women is nothing but how many men, sir? 4 threes are 2 threes are. This is 6 men. Okay. Now 20 children. 5 children is nothing but 2. 5 fours are 20, 2 fours are 8. That means how many children, sir? 20 children. Can I take 8 men? Listen, sir. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 8, 18 men. How many days are working? 18 twos are 36. Listen, sir. 18 men are working 2 days. Plus, if only men are working, complete the remaining work. Remaining work I don't know, but only men are working. How many days they are working? 1 day. But what is the total work? We are taking men. So 6 12s are 72. Clear, sir? This is the total work. But first 2 days, 4 men and 12 women, 20 children. All are converted into men. So 18 twos are almost 36. 72 minus 36, 36. That means here x is equal to almost 36. So for the remaining work completed in 1 day, how many people are required? 36 men are required. Okay, clear, sir? See the next one. What is the next question is given? A boy and girl together fill a cistern in with water. The boy pours 4 liters of water every 3 minutes. Okay. Boy for 3 minutes. How many liters are pulling, sir? 4 liters. Okay, girl. Girl 3 liters for every 4 minutes. For 4 minutes, how many liters, sir? 3 liters. Okay. Don't take for 1 minute. So simply both are converted into same time. So 3 and 4, what is LCM value? 12. So this is multiplied by 4. Now what I am getting, sir? 4 threes are 12 minutes. 4 fours are 16 liters. This is multiplied by 3. 3 fours are 12 minutes. 3 threes are 9. That means if both are working, total 12 minutes of time, 6 plus 9 how much? 25 liters are filling. That means men and women are working for 12 minutes. They are filling how many liters? 25 liters. Clear? But I want to fill how many liters? 100 liters. So 25 4 100 liters. 25 fours are 100. 12 fours are how much, sir? 48 minutes. If you take for 1 minute also, you will get the answer. But it will get fractions. Understand? See the next one. What is the next question is given, sir? A boat takes 9 hours to travel a distance upstream and take 3 hours to travel the same distance in downstream. They are given a time. Time ratio is given. What is the ratio? 9 is to 3. This is 3 is to 1. This is the time ratio of upstream and downstream. Now what is the speed ratio, sir? The speed ratio becomes 1 is to 3. Okay. This is upstream speed. This is downstream speed. Clear? So upstream speed means boat speed minus water speed. Downstream speed means boat speed plus water speed. Now listen. If the speed of the boat in still water, how much, sir? 4. Listen, sir. 3 boat is given means 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is how much, sir? 4. 4 by 2. 2. 2 is equal to 4. This is the boat speed. Now what is the next thing? What is the velocity of stream? Stream means boat speed minus water speed. That means 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is how much, sir? 2. 2 by 2 how much, sir? 1. So 2 is equal to 4 means 1 is equal to 2. What is the speed of the water, sir? 2 kilometer per hour. So option D. Clear? See the next one. So next questions are given. See the question. What is the question is given? Each question below. What is the first question? Is A is an odd number. So we have to prove A is equal to odd number. So see the first statement. A multiple by a odd number is equal to a odd number. So A is multiplied by odd number. I don't know A value, but if I multiply by odd, I will get the odd. So I think you know the basic property. Even into odd will be given even. Odd into odd will be given odd. That means odd even into even, even. That means in these three cases, when will be the product will be odd? The both the numbers are odd into odd, then only odd. That means already we are multiplying with odd number. So the product result will be odd, means the A is also an odd number. Yes or no? Odd into odd, then only odd. That means what is the A value, sir? Odd. That means by using this statement, we can say A is a odd number. Okay. See the second statement, A is not divisible by 2. That means if any number is a divisible by 2, that become a even number. But A is not dividing with 2. That means definitely that is a odd number. So by using the statement 2 also we are getting the answer. So statement 1 and statement 2. That means any statement is giving the answer. So what is your answer? Either statement A or statement B, any. Okay, clear? Option D. See the next question. What is the next question? The age of Pradhuman and Gunit are in the ratio 7:5. I am zooming, wait. 7:5. 7:5. What is the age of Pradhuman? I want to calculate Pradhuman age. So I have to calculate 7. What is the first statement? The ages of Pradhuman and Nandini are in the ratio 3:1. In the first statement, they given the ratio of Pradhuman and Nandini. That means not related to Gunit. So you will find out the common ratio of Pradhuman, Gunit and Nandini. Yes or no? Not able to find out the age of Pradhuman. That means this statement is not sufficient to give the answer. Okay. See the second statement. After 7 years, the ratio of Pradhuman and Aviral. Pradhuman and Aviral. How much is given? 4:3. This is a Aviral. Aviral is any there in the first question? No. That means this statement is also only mentioned Pradhuman and another different person. That means this statement is also not sufficient. But listen, sir. When you combine, any chance is there? Here Pradhuman and Nandini, 2 people. Here Pradhuman and Aviral. Total here this person, total 3 persons different. And also here Gunit, 4 different people. So there is no any link between the ratios. So that means any statement is not giving the answer. Together is also not giving the answer. So what is the answer? If you cannot get the answer from the statement A and B together. Yes or no? So option E is your answer. So clear? See the next one. What is the next question is given, sir? What is the salary of B? In a group of A, B, C, D, whose average salary is total is 4 people's salary is given. So if you try to find out B, you require A, C, D value. Okay. See in the first statement, the total salary of A and C is a multiple of 8. Listen, sir. I required B. If I know A, C, D salary, then all I will find out. Here they given A and C, and also is not given the value. They given the multiple. So definitely the statement A is not sufficient, because here D is also not given and the value is also not given. So go for the second statement. Average of salary of A, C, D. A, C, D. Remaining A is given, C is given, D is given. That means we can remove A, C, D, you will get the B salary. Yes or no? That means in the second statement we are getting the B value or not? So what is your answer, sir? Statement B only sufficient. Clear? See the next one. What is the next question is given? What is the 3-digit number? So they are asking the 3-digit number. I don't know 3-digit number. What is the first statement? The 3-digit number is divisible by 9. Sir, they mentioned the 3-digit number. So many numbers are divisible by 9 of 3-digit. But we don't know exactly which is the 3-digit number. That means this statement is not sufficient. Clear? Yes or no? No. The first and the third digits are 6. So first digit is 6, last digit is 6. But what about the middle digit? If middle digit is either 0, 1, 2, 3, any number, that we don't know the exact value. That means this statement is also not sufficient. Individually, not possible to find out the answer. But go with, if you combine these two things, what happened? Already we know the first digit and last digit. So go with the first statement. What is the first statement? The number is divisible by 9. So the number is divisible by 9 means sum of the digits should be divisible by 9 or not? Sir, 6 plus 6. Already how much, sir? 12. So 12 means what is the next possibility? Sum of the digits should be 18. That means the middle digit should be 6. So by using the combined the two statements, can you find the answer or not? So what is your answer, sir? Together. Both the together. Option C. Clear? Now see the next one. What is the next question is given? What is the profit earned by selling a printer at? So this is a selling price is given. SP is given. So they asking which value? Profit. How can you know the profit? If you know the selling percentage or if you know the cost price, we can find the profit value or profit percentage, anything. Now listen, what is the first statement is given? The cost price of 6 such a printers. The cost price of such a printers is equal to the selling price of 5 printers. If you from this thing you will get cost price by selling price is equal to 5 by 6 or not. So if you know the selling price value, can you get 5 is cost price? So the difference is profit or not? That means in the first statement I will get the relation between cost price and selling price. From that I will find out the profit value. Statement 1 is giving the answer. Go for the second statement. 20% profit is earned by selling. They given a profit percentage. Sir, cost price is always 100%. So cost price, profit is 20%, means selling price is equal to how much, sir? 120%. So from this one, can you find out the profit value? Yes or no? So statement 2 is also giving the answer. That means A is giving the answer, B. So what is your answer? Either any statement we can use, get the answer. Clear? See the next one. What is the next question is given, sir? A basket containing 3 blue balls. Blue balls are 3 and 4 red balls. If 3 balls are drawn at random from the basket, what is the probability that all the 3 balls are either blue, all are blue or all are red? Sir, how many blue balls are there? 3. If you want to get all are blue means you should draw 3 balls or not? 3C3 plus all are red. Red balls are how many? 4. But I require to draw 3 balls. What is the value? 4C3. Because they mention R. That's why I am adding plus by total how many balls? 7 out of 3. I am drawing 3 balls out of the 7 balls. Listen, sir. 3C2. 3C3 value 6. Because why I am writing 6 means 3 factorial, 3 factorial, 3 factorial is a common. So 3 will be cancelled in the factorial. So 3 factorial value 6. Wait. Total 7 balls I want to draw 7C3. From the total 7 balls I want to draw 3 balls, but that are either blue or either red. Okay, listen, sir. 3 in the denominator 3 factorial will be cancelled, sir. So what will become 3 factorial? 3 factorial value 6, 4 factorial value 24 divided by 7. So 7 means 7 into 6 into 5. 7 into, now 6 ones are 6 fours are 6 ones are 1 plus 4 5, 7 fives are 35. So what is your answer, sir? 1 by 7. So option B. Clear? See the next one, sir. What is the next question is given? A train passes 2 persons walking in the same direction. So train and persons, 2 people. So train is and persons are going in a same direction means speeds are subtracted. And the time taken to move a past the man running at 13 km per hour is 19 seconds. That means the train first crosses the first person in 19 seconds, second person in 20 seconds. What is the speed of the train? So in both the cases same train. That means length of the train is same, sir. Length of the train is same. Okay, sir, length is nothing but distance. Distance is nothing but speed into time. Here speed, what is the speed of the train? I don't know. Minus 13, because both are traveling in a same direction, into 19 is equal to t minus 26. In second case also train is crossing the second person, both are moving in same direction means minus into 20. Listen, sir, 19t, 19 into 13, 13 tens are 130, 39s are 117, 130 plus 117 247 is equal to 20t minus 520. If you take this side, t will become 520 minus 240, 280. 280 minus 7, 273. What is the speed of the train, sir? 273 kilometer per hour. I think everyone getting a doubt. Sir, here this is in a 19 seconds, this is in a 20 seconds, these are in kilometer per hour. When you are equating the distances, there is no problem of conversations. Okay, clear? See the next one. See the next question. What is the next question is given, sir? The ratio between the length and breadth of a rectangle is 3:2. Length and breadth is given. See, length and breadth is given 3. I am writing 3x is to 2x. Okay. A man is cycling along the boundary of the park. So a person is a rectangle park. He is cycling. When a person is cycling means he has to cover this total distance or not? Yes or no? So this is the total distance. Here distance is nothing but what, sir? Perimeter. Distance is equal to perimeter. Okay. Now what is the distance formula? Distance is equal to speed into time. So here speed is given. What is the speed value? 12 kilometer per hour. 12 into 5 by 18. Why I am converting into meter per second means the time is given in minutes. So 8 minutes I am converting into seconds. So 6 twos are 6 threes are 3 ones are 3 twenties are. So 5 twos are 10. 10 into 80, 80, 10 into 80, 80, 80 into 20, 1600 meters. This is a total boundary. Okay, but what is the x value I will find out? What is the perimeter formula? 2 into L plus B. Okay. So 3x plus 2x, 5x, 5x, 2 are 10x. 10x is equal to 1600. Now x is equal to 160. Clear? So if I substitute here 160, 3 16s are 480 is to 16 twos are 320. Okay. 0 0. So 48 twos are 96. 9 will become 48 threes are 144. 144 plus 9 153. So what is your answer? 1,53,600. Clear? See the next one. What is the next question is given? One bag containing 4 white balls and 2 blue balls. Sorry, 2 black balls. Another bag contains 3 white balls, 5 black balls. If one ball is drawn from each bag, determine the probability that one ball is a white ball. Listen, sir. They mention from each bag we draw one ball. But what is the question? That ball is a white and another ball is first ball is white and another ball is black. But he is not mentioned first ball is white and second ball is black. For example, in the first ball, if I draw one ball, that is a white. How many white balls are there? 4 by 6 into first second bag. Shall I draw the second ball? Second ball, but the second ball is black. In a second bag, how many black balls are there? 5 by total balls are 8. So in this, what happened? The first ball is a white, the second ball is a black. But in the question, they mention like that. No, you have to draw one ball is white, one ball is black. Maybe in the first bag, can I draw the black ball? What is the black ball value? 2 by 6 into second bag. Now you have to draw white ball. White balls are 3 by 8. Okay. 4 ones are 4 twos are 5 by 6 twos are 12. Now 3 ones are 3 twos are. This is 1 by 8. Now what is the LCM value? 24. 12 twos are 5 twos are 10. 8 threes are 10 plus 3 13 by 24. Option D. Clear?